So, question 8. Joel is serving a pie at a buffet. He cuts and serves the first slice with an arc length of 4.87 centimeters. Oh, I like these ones. All right. So we got an arc length, which is part of the whole. So the arc is from here to here. The whole thing around would be the circumference. And then we got 31 degrees, which is the central angle, which is part of the maximum 360 degrees. So as shown in the diagram below. All right, determine the area. So if we see area, then we can write the formula to show you know something's going on. You can read, I guess. Area is pi times radius squared. So I need the radius. We don't know the radius. If I find the circumference, I will be able to get the radius from it because the diameter will be there and I'll be able to divide by 3.14. Anyways, let's move on. So 4.87. 4.87 is equal to something. So 31 over 360. So here, this is our unknown, the circumference. You can find it because these have a ratio. They're proportional because circles are nice like that. So we got this times that, doing the opposite operation. So 360 times 4.87 is equal to 31 C's. So the multiplication in between there. And then we go divided by 31, and that'll give us an answer. So 4.87 is the arc, times 360 degrees, divided by 31 degrees, gives us a circumference of 56.6. Let's just round it now. So this is our circumference. So this circumference is pi times the diameter. So if we go 56.6, sorry about that, 56.6 divided by 3.14, that will give us the diameter. So anything divided by itself is 1, so we cancel that out. The diameter is this divided by 3.14, gives us 18.01 is our diameter. So what are we doing here to determine the area? So the diameter is 18, which makes the radius 9, because half of the diameter is the radius. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we got 9 squared times 3.14 is equal to, so 9 times 9 is 81, times 3.14 is equal to the area. So the area of the whole thing is 254.34 centimeters squared. But is that what we want the whole pie? No. They asked for what the missing piece is. So the first slice that's being taken out. So if the total area is 254.34, then we want to know what the sector area is, or we can just call it X. Oops, sorry. Or we can just call it X. So this is equal to 31 degrees over top of 360. So we can go, we want X to be alone, depressed by itself, so we're moving this over there. So we got X is equal to 31, so we moved it over, doing the opposite operation, this times that. 31 times 254.34 divided by 360 degrees. This times 31 divided by 360 is equal to X is 21.9. They said round it to the nearest tenth. The 10th spot's here. There's a 0 afterwards, so it's just 21.9 centimeters squared. That's the answer.